Hello and welcome. Today we will play Lord, I Lift Your Name on High on our ukuleles. For this song we need chord C, F, G, E minor, and A minor. Every time you see a chord, give it 2 beats and you can strum it any way you like. It can be as simple as strumming on beat 1 like this. 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and. If you can do a little bit more, then you can do down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up. And the strumming pattern that I'm going to be doing is down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, down. And if you're feeling like, oh, that's too fast for me, make sure that your strum is not like wider than your instrument, because that's pretty labor intensive. So make sure that your strum is a little bit more within like the width of your instrument and not so much strumming coming from the shoulders and the arm. Now for this song, the chord progression or the chord pattern C, F, G, F is going to guide us through the entire verse and most of the chorus. And this song only has those 2 sections. So let's try just strumming C, F, G, and F as a warm-up. Here we go. 1, 2, 1, 2, ready, go. G, F, again, C, F, G, F, keep breathing. One more time. So now let's look at the chorus. At the chorus we have the C, F, G, F again 2 more times. So let's do that. 1, 2, 1, 2, ready, go. G, F, one more time. And we will be adding lyrics a little later. And now the last 2 lines of the chorus do change a little bit. So the next line we have C, F, this feels familiar, G, then E minor. And the most challenging part of the song, which is totally doable, and I'll walk you through it, is the last line, where we have A minor, and then F and G we have in brackets. So that means that total inside of the brackets we have 2 beats. If you're more of a beginner, then just give me a single down strum on F and then a single down strum on G. F, G, and then when you land on the C, you would be back at your normal strumming pattern. If you can do a little more, then you're going to be doing down, down, up for each chord, down, down, up. Let me play it in context. I'll play the A minor full strumming pattern, F, G, and C. Here we go. 1, 2, a little slower, down, 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 up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, 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 up. Now let me do the easier version where each one has just a single down strum. Here we go at the A minor. 1, 2, easier version, ready, go. Down, down, up, down, 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 up, down. Okay, I gave you an extra C there. So now I think we should add the last 2 lines of the chorus together just to practice switching from the E minor to the A minor. If we can pause though, would you hit the like button or write a quick comment down below, as this helps the videos reach more people and perform well on the platform that they're posted on, and it helps them get recommended to more students. Okay, so here we go. The last 2 lines of lyric from the cross to the grave. 1, 2, 1, 2, ready, and C, F, G, E minor, A minor, F, G, C. Okay, so I think we're ready to add some lyrics. And the lyrics would start on note E, so you can pick any open E string. La, la, and 3rd fret. La, la, or singing lower. Lord, I left him in on high. Okay, here we go. let's add an intro to the song. We'll add an intro of C, F, G, F. Lord, I lift your name on high. Like that, okay? Here we go. Breathe. I need to slow down. I get so excited in these lessons that I just like go, like I take off. Here we go. 1, 2, 1, 2. Play with joy. Ready, go. Pause here. I want to do another playthrough of the song, but first I want to show you how to adjust for your voice. So in the current key, these are the easiest chords that I could find for our fretboard hand. I know that E minor is a little challenging, but in general, the other chords are pretty doable. But then it leaves me with a very high singing. Lord, I lift your name on high, which is a little high when we go in the chorus. So I'm going to put the capo, I'm just testing here because I know that the first singing notes are on E string, open, and then 3rd fret. So I'm going to add the capo, and you're thinking, well, didn't you just make it higher? But if I sing down, Lord, I lift your name on high. To the chorus. You came from heaven to earth to show the way, from the earth to the cross, my debt to pay. So I would mess around with the capo, be bold, and try different spots, because you know that the singing note is open E string and 3rd fret, and that's how you can find a key that is comfortable for you. Okay, so let's do a playthrough of the intro, verse, and chorus. But first, I'd like to dedicate this video to my Patreon community. Patreon members, thank you so much for everything you do to support this channel. It is because of your support that I'm making this video here today. So thank you so much, patrons. I really appreciate all of your work and your contributions. So if you'd like to join the Patreon community, you can make a monthly pledge of like $3, $5, or you choose. And in exchange, what I do is I provide PDFs, live lessons via Zoom, in-person meetups, and courses that I haven't taught anywhere else that you have access to immediately. And then I feel like I'm forgetting something, but I'll add it on the screen. And today I'd like to dedicate the video specifically to Kiara. Kiara is one of the people that I went to meet, or she came to meet me too, when we had our meetup in the Netherlands. So Kiara, it was so nice meeting you there. Thank you so much for coming out. All right, let's do our playthrough. Here we go. 1, 2, intro. 1, 2, have fun. Ready, go. name online. I love to sing your praises. I'm so glad you're in my life. I'm so glad you came to save us. You came from heaven to earth to show the way, from the earth to the sky, from death to faith, from the cross to the grave, from the grave to the sky. I lift your name on high. Throughout this video, I've been playing the Romero Creations Daniel Ho Vintage Soprano Ukulele, which is made in Japan. This is available in my shop on my website, where I have PDFs, apparel, mugs, strings, and other things that you can shop around for, including this ukulele. This one comes with a hard case as well, and it's so adorable because it's soprano. I don't usually gravitate towards soprano ukuleles, but the sound on this one, I just had to add it to the shop. So if you're interested in learning more, I'll link it down below. I hope that you're enjoying this series of the Worship Songs Challenge, and I would like to thank you for participating in it. Let me know which songs you would like to see in the future. My cat, Kit Kat, is licking and cleaning and grooming herself. Excuse me if you're hearing that. She was right here next to me for the whole lesson. Anyway, let me know which songs you'd like to see in the future, and I'll be reading all the comments. Thank you so much for watching. Ciao. God bless.